Polis ni kesa bala sebe akaulo na ikamlo lem ija ikapundu koto motunga inera ebe isoma inepepe ka jore na ko Uganda almasi kestoma aingi chakironu.
It is true here in Soroti Central Police Station we have one Oligo Samuel Opolot, a male adult aged 42 years old who resides in Moruapesu, Cell D. Has been impersonating as a UPDF officer attached to CMI. However, besides that, he also went and borrowed money from two different groups. One group he borrowed 1.3 and managed to pay 600, while in one of the village circles he has managed to borrow 620. Person borrowed this money way back October last year, and the matter is under investigation. Ask the community to be vigilant.
RCCA Buga Soroti Peter Pex Park ngesi akwenya kiatekere na iteso alar awai kaneja asitunga lueja ete ikapunu kaneja asitunga omecha kinebe isoma itene pepeka icheriongeta ka apugan.
Who claims to be a major in the UPDF and yet is not. He has been using that title and rank to extort money from the public. One of the organizations he went to pick money is called Skylander. I think from the documents we have seen, he started doing this in 2022, and I have personally interacted with him. He says he did it for survival. So the purpose is to warn the public from such people. Please confirm that the people you are dealing with are the right people. Do not just interact with anyone anyhow, and in any case, try to do due diligence by probably verifying such people with the necessary authorities, the local authorities, even with the office of the president or RCC, before you interact with such people.
Josephine Anyait atupito na polo kintone kampuni ngesa balebe abu oligo kijau kesi kapun kosodi ageune allokonyo kesi tonilolo.
The gentleman by the names of Oligo Samuel Opolot came to our company in Odudui on the 4th of October. We disbursed 1 million shillings for him, and was supposed to be bringing back 256,700 every month for 6 months, but he has never appeared. And when you call his number, decided to put me on blacklist. After putting me on blacklist, I tried reaching him on WhatsApp. He blocked me. He claims he's a soldier, and he says he's a major attached to CMI, and he's attached to Soroti Flying School. So today when we came for loan recovery, we came to know that he's a wrong man.
Apollo Kintone kampuni ngol Charles Omaido ngesa balebe ekotolo itorero okisila.
Weja katoligo balabe Emeja. Abunara Isirigin grupo eviesele chalo la Moroto Farmers Elders group agari nga goiki. Gari jao ni Isirigin milione dopet kedili 10 kwatari. Ogara tachi sigili 10 kwatakanyari. Tacha kwatakanyari osalta kwatakanya peke na Kaisari. Toni lolo mametachi. Oleste bobai jao ni Isirigin da Skylander company jeki netelwa school fees. So nesidolo la tupurushina lolo atupakin mesi. Bijo beringangale jitunga ngangal bitajisi nyuma mjitachia tondoni yangara kwa bala nisibere Emeja arango de retired captain nesida losi ongo ofisi le ya itere so the veterans anadu munaganga teni toni ngara enere tona yaun pakai kwa nini si polisi ni
Samuel Opotoligo lo itorintai nges abu onger alimun adiokiroto Kanuka TV East Rebecca Mongin ka Alfred Otwal Koibuga Soroti.